Mia, look! Our river shines like a golden ribbon.
It looks like diamonds are dancing in the water.
Wow. Fireflies are waking up. Tiny lights in the air.
Noah! The ground looks like fluffy clouds.
These are Kashbon flowers. They bloom in Baisak.
I caught it! It feels like a tiny pillow! Me?
Race you to the river. Ready, Mia?
The water is so clear. I can see the sand.
Hello, kids. Stay on the safe stones, okay?
In Baisak, it's only knee-deep. Easy crossing.
They look so calm, like gentle giants.
This banyan tree feels like a giant umbrella.
The roots are twisty, like nature's sculpture. The roots are twisty, like nature's sculpture.
Shh. Let's be quiet. Then the herons stay close.
One side looks like silver. So pretty.
Every river turn feels like a new surprise.
They glow like tiny stars near the grass.
Bye-bye, petal. Fly like a feather. Small steps make a little splash, not a big one.
I want to visit this place every evening.
Me too. The river always teaches something new.
Hello, birds. This river is your home too.
Mia, this is our river of wonders. Remember that?
Wow. The mango trees make a green roof.
Listen! The shalik birds sound like a music band.
They are chatting so fast, I can't count the sound. Look up. The birds are having a little meeting.
Shh. I'm a bird detective today.
Sometimes a shy jackal peeks. Just curious, not scary.
Splish, splash, come on in.
Cold water tickles.
Yay!
Ready? I can race the splashes! Hold my hand, Mia. Let's step slowly.
Fill gently, kids. Water is precious.
Look! I'm a pot juggler just for fun.
Water fireworks! One clap, one splash!
Wow. Tiny silver fish. They look like little stars.
They're too fast, like silver lightning.
We wash softly so fish can swim happily.
Let's make leaf boats, eco-friendly and cute.
Clap, clap. River dance time.
You splashed me! Okay, my turn!
This shade is cool, like a green umbrella road.
Sunlight is making golden lines in the leaves.
Uh-oh. Those clouds look like a big gray blanket.
Monsoon is coming! The sky is changing colors!
I feel it! The rain is saying hello!
Come, kids. Let's watch the rain from the porch.
Rain is strong today. Watch from a safe place.
Whoa! The river is running super fast now.
My boat is ready. I made a sharp point.
Go, go, boat! Win the river race!
Festival rule, dance like the rain is your friend.
Rain, rain, yay! Let's play today! The sky turned indigo. It's so dramatic.
Each raindrop makes a tiny water crown.
Mine is spinning! It's doing a boat dance!
Okay, little boat. Float straight and fast.
We cheer from here, safe and dry.
Jump, 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 jump. Rain is our plate. Jump, 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 jump. Rain is our playground.
Warm shoulders, happy dancing, okay?
Boom, boom! My knees are dancing by themselves.
The river is strong today, but it's still our friend. Stay back.
Yes, Uncle. We watch from here. Whoa! That boat did a donut spin!
Rain is tickling my nose. Haha.
I'm okay. Mud is slippery but fun.
The trees are washing their hair.
1, 2, 3. Boats racing like little fish.
Sail away, little boat. Go, go. Mama step, stepper, step. Stepper, chepper, simple chant.
Follow me! Step, step, clap, clap, rain dance!
You dance so funny. The rain loves you.
See that bright spot? The rain is finishing.
Everything looks freshly washed and shiny.
2 rainbows! That's double magic!
Lily, the sky is smiling after the rain.
Children, this river gives life to our village. It feeds fields, trees, birds, and even tiny fish. So we must never throw trash into the river.
Grandfather, how can we help the river every day?
Easy steps. Use bins, pick up litter, and teach friends to care.
Mia, let's pick it up. Our river deserves clean banks.
Job done.
Trash goes in the basket, not in the river.
Yeah!
Great job! Clean water keeps fish and birds happy.
When we protect the river, we protect our home.
The fish are shining again. Clean water is better.
Leaf boats are great. No plastic in the river.
I'll carry my snacks in a cloth bag.
Clean steps look nicer and feel safer too.
Team Clean is stronger than Team Mess! Goodbye, Rainbow. Thanks for the fresh day.
See, children, the river becomes calm again.
The lanterns look like little suns on the river.
That boat is floating like a glowing dot.
Fireflies are tiny flying lanterns. The river is quiet now, like it's whispering goodnight.
We keep it clean so it can sparkle every day.
Kind hearts make a clean world, Noah.
Good night, boats! Float safely!
We only watch fireflies. Never hurt them.
Shh! They are doing a tiny night dance.
Look up. The stars are shining like river sparkles.
The night sky looks huge, like a magical roof.
I will always keep nature clean. Promise.
Tomorrow, we play again, and we clean again.
Good night, River of Wonders. We love you! Goodbye, little river. See you soon!
Bye, friends. Be kind to nature, always.